Good evening to everyone. This is Sobika from Kokal team. Today we are going to present our PD session like a conversation between myself, Sobika and Mithra. That means we will be presenting our first PD session. Shall we start it, Mithra? And can you share the topic to everyone which we are going to discuss today?
Yeah, sure. Before that, good evening to everyone. This is Mithra from Kokal team. Today we are going to discuss about the topic preposition.
Okay, what are all the subtopics we are going to cover under the preposition?
In the topic, we are going to cover the definition, proper pronunciation of the word, list of preposition, types of preposition, and examples of each types of preposition, rules of preposition, and last we have a Q&A section.
Okay, can you define the term preposition?
Yeah, a preposition is a word that helps to connect the two words. Two words in the sense, one word is a noun and another word is like a noun, verb or adjective. It also shows the relationship between these two words. And we have an example, apple on the plate. The apple at the plate is, these are the two words which is related by the preposition word on. So these are the definition of the preposition.
Can you say the proper pronunciation of the word?
Yeah, sure. Before that, if we want to learn something new in the grammar, first of all, we should know the proper pronunciation of this word, right? So here the proper pronunciation of the word is preposition. Why I mentioned here is sometimes we call it as a preposition, right? So it's not a preposition. We should say preposition.
Okay, will you list out some examples of preposition which you use on a daily basis?
Yeah, here I listed some examples of preposition. Uh, Before that, we have two types of examples in preposition. One is a one-word preposition word. Another one is more than one-word preposition word. For example, if we take the example about, across, after, these are the one-word preposition word. And second one is, if I take an example, apart from, as far as well as, aside from. These are the more than one word preposition words. These are the some list of preposition words we are going to be used in sentence. So based on the questionnaires, we have to pick one of the word from this list.
Based on different scenarios, we can split the preposition into different types. Can you share the types of preposition and explain how can use them according to their types?
Preposition has many types. Here I list out the types of preposition according to the three scenarios. First one is preposition of time. If when question is arise, we are using in, on, at, before, or after as a preposition word. And second one is preposition of place. If where question is arise, we are using under, above, in, on, at as a preposition word. At last, a preposition of direction. In it, which direction question is arise, we are using to, into, of, from the preposition words. These are the three types of preposition we are using.
Can you share some example for each types of preposition so it will be more understandable to others?
Yeah, let's see the examples of each types of preposition. First one is preposition of time. Yeah, first one is preposition of time. A preposition of time, it will be described the time period. It may be a day of the calendar or a day of the week or anything else. So for examples, at, in, on. But let us take the sentence, I'm going to the beach at noon. So it mentioning that noon is a timing, right? So we are using at as a pronunciation word. And second one is let go campaign in August. August is a month of the year. So we are using in as a preposition word. And next one is preposition of place. Describe the position of the things or person which is related to the another object. For example, on the box, near the box, beside the box, behind the box. So these examples of shows the position of the things, right? So let us take the sentence, a man beside the boy, a man is in front of his car, a boy is behind the push, a ball is under the table. So these are other examples of preposition of place. At last, preposition of direction. Preposition of direction, it shows the way of direction a person or things move to the another object or away from the something, right? So example, to the box, out of the box, through the box, along the box, and so on. Let us take an example. I am going to school. Here he is going to the school. It mentioned the direction he will go to the school, right? So here too is act as a preposition word. So these are the examples of prepositions.
Okay, guys. Now we are going to see about rules of preposition. We have 6 rules while using preposition word. Can you read each rules with examples?
Yeah, sure. Let's see the rules of preposition. Rule number 1, preposition must have an object. Let's consider if the sentence doesn't have the object means he is in, right? So if preposition words end, the sentence ends with preposition word in. So here we should not consider in as a preposition word. It will become an adverb. So the sentence should contain the object format. So this is the first rule. Second one, rule number 2, must be placed before. Yeah, the preposition word must be placed before the object. As we said in the first rule, if a sentence is end with preposition word, it should be considered as an adverb, not a preposition, right? So for example, I put the things in the box. Here, in is a preposition. It is placed before the object box, right? Then rule number 3, the pronoun following the preposition should be an object form. We all know that what is the subjective form and objective form, right? If a noun is used as a primary word, we are using the subjective form. If a noun is used as a secondary word, which is placed in the last, we must use the object form. That is the meaning of that. For example, the gift was from them. So here, them is act as an object and it is in the objective form. It's not a subjective form. Right. And rule number 4, avoid like when a verb is involved. In a sentence, the object is containing the verb means we should not include the preposition word like. Okay. This is the correct format is she look like her mother. So here we have only 2 nouns and preposition word. Suppose if we consider she looks like her mother does, the second object having the verb does, right? So in this sentence, we should not use a preposition word like. This is the fourth rule. Rule number 5, do not confuse preposition to with infinitive to, because these 2 words are having a different meanings. For example, to as a preposition. I'm used to swimming. Here to is act as a preposition word. Next one, to as an infinitive participle. I used to live in Australia. So here it is act as an infinitive participle. So we should not clash with each one. Okay. At last, final rule, a verb cannot be an object for a object of a preposition. Object is always a noun, a pronoun, or adjective format only we have. So in here, object should not be considered as a verb, right? Let us take the example. I like to swim. Generally, we consider swim as a verb, right? But here, while using the preposition word, swim is not a verb. We should consider as a verb, noun or pronoun. These are the 6 rules we are using the preposition verb while making the sentence. That's it.
Okay. Guys, finally have Q&A session. We have a picture on the slide. From this picture, we will be asking some questions. Anyone can say the answer by using the preposition word. Can you share the picture with everyone?
Guys, let us form a sentence by using a preposition. It's just for practice for you. We can see some objects in the picture. By using the preposition word, we can form the sentence. Here we have 5 objects. First one is ball, mobile phone, red cap, shoe, and at last laptop. Okay, we will see the answers at the end of the slide. First one is ball. This ball is under the cap, near the table, between table and guitar, and last on the floor. Second one is mobile phone. Mobile phone is in front of cyan color pillow. Third one is red cap. Red cap is placed on the ball. Fourth one is shoes. Shoes is on the red mat or floor or near the cot. And last one, laptop. A laptop is placed on the cot. So these are some practice section we have. And thank you, guys.